cooking tips and knowing what's in sushi. If you ask what exactly is in sushi, you can pay attention to the sushi recipe that we present below. Homemade mentai sushi ingredients. How to make sushi mentai at home. 1. First, mix the rice with mirin and salt. Mix well. 2. Prepare the stuffing. Boil the spinach and add a little salt to the cooking water. Remove, immediately dip in cold water and drain. Set aside. Slice cucumber lengthwise and remove seeds. 3. Thinly slice the sausage with rotating slices so that the sausage becomes wide. Do it until the end of the sausage, then cut it obliquely and fry/bake for a while. If you use smoked meat, just cut it, then fry/grill it. 4. Take a sheet of nori. Place the rice all over the surface of the nori. 5. Then flip it over so that the rice is on the bottom and the nori on top. Place the stuffing, furai, spinach, and cucumber on top of the nori. Then roll so that the position of the nori is inside. The rice comes first. 6. Cut the sushi. Add sausage topping. 7. Mix the sauce ingredients. Put it in a plastic triangle, then spray it on top of the sushi. 8. Homemade sushi is ready to serve. Also read Easy Ways to Make Beef Teriyaki Sushi a la Fifin Liefang. Knowing how to cook sushi to perfection is very important. Sushi is an art. By reading this article, you can get a pretty good idea as to how you can perfectly cook sushi.